CSIR assured repurpose drugs portal. So this portal, I think the best use of this portal would be, number one, even the media people, because they are very inquisitive and they keep asking us also what is actually happening. So every day, we also here in the ministry don't have an update on exactly what has happened between yesterday and today. What is a particular drug, which stage it has gone, what is that company with which it has entered into an alliance, or what is that has been transferred. So this particular portal now, since it will give a detailed description, it will not only be a good boon for the media but also for us in the ministry also, and for the young generation of students and the aspiring scientists also. So they will also have a feel of what exactly is a repurposed drug, how do we investigate around it, how do we pursue the research around it, how do we get the results around it, and what is the stage in which what particular drug is. And then with one's own eyes one can see, read, understand, and then appreciate the contributions of the scientists. This was for me, that was a long cherished dream, that the Ayurveda drugs should be subjected to good quality modern scientific scrutiny, so that they can also be projected worldwide, not because they are our drugs and we say they are good, but we show them to the rest of the world that they are like the ones which can pass the exam of modern scientific scrutiny also. So CSIR with Ayush Ministry, and then of course with the technical support of ICMR, has done these activities around the research into usage of Ayush drugs, whether for boosting immunity, whether for prophylaxis, or whether for therapeutics. CSIR has also worked done a lot of commendable efforts, whether it was for rising to the occasion to develop the new kits. Last function we talked about Feluda, which is the incoming thing, because I remember that in the initial meetings there were dear scientist from IGIB. He used to come and talk about this paper test, and at that time we used to think that he's probably over enthusiastic about it, but now the whole thing has been approved, the whole thing has been owned by Tata also, and it's coming in the public domain, and lot of things. A laboratory which was earlier working on these small aeroplanes and other instruments like Dishti and other, they started producing the ventilators. You started doing the genome sequencing, you started making these kits, and there is not only this, so many other activities which have helped the cause of COVID-19. I was told that something like 100 big or small technologies have been developed around COVID only by CSIR during the last 9 months, and these technologies, a large number of them have been transferred to the industry also.